Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you all already seen in the thumbnail that what we are making today, so without wasting any single second, let's step into this beautiful video. For making this boho earring, we need an old shopping bag. First, we remove the paper rope from bag as shown in the video. Now cut the flat part of rope and start rolling the paper rope like I am doing in this video. Use Fevicol or hot glue gun to roll this paper rope. Secure the end of this coil with Fevicol or hot glue gun and leave this aside. On other hand, we'll make a small tassel from cotton thread. You can choose any color according to your wish. Attach a metal jump ring in tassel. After making this tassel, we comb the end of the tassel and cut the extra part of thread. Now make a hole in coil with needle or safety pin and attach the tassel in this. In the same way, I attach one more jump ring on the top of this coil. At last, attach a earring hook in the jump ring, and that's it. Your beautiful boho earring is ready to flaunt. If you find this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Share a picture with me if you recreate this DIY. Until then, keep creating magic and smiles. Tata!